Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Art Drying Rack is probably one of the most essential tools for any classroom or art studio, especially when you have a lot of artwork to dry. Keeping your students' artwork organized and protected can be a challenge, but a good drying rack can solve this problem. In this video, we'll explore some of the top art drying racks available, helping you find the perfect one to keep your art project safe and sound. Number 5. Spectrum Euro Dish Rack and Cutting Board Holder. This organizer is the perfect solution. It keeps everything neat and within easy reach. It's designed to transform your kitchen. This versatile stand keeps your cutting boards organized. No more digging through piles. It's a simple way to stay organized. This rack keeps your cutting boards and plates easily accessible. It maximizes your cabinet space. It's a sturdy steel rack. The satin nickel finish ensures lasting durability. It can handle heavy cutting boards and plates. It's built to last. It can also be used to air dry your plates and bakeware. It's a versatile addition to your kitchen. It's very useful. It has 8 storage compartments. Each slot is perfectly spaced to hold your items. It can hold cutting boards, plates, and cookie sheets. The satin nickel coating adds style to your cabinets. It protects the steel from moisture and wear. It's a stylish and practical choice. What we like? This cutting board holder is designed to keep your kitchen organized. It offers a smart cabinet storage solution, transforming cluttered spaces. If you are looking for a way to maximize your cabinet space and keep things tidy, you should consider this. What people say. It fits the cabinet space indicated in its description, which appears to be average. Came fully assembled. It is polished metal and is sturdy, well balanced on its support and looks more expensive than it is. Number 4. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline, Indoor-Outdoor Drying Rack. This retractable clothesline installs in just minutes. All the necessary hardware is included, making it perfect for your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. Keep your space tidy with this one-touch retractable clothesline. It's the perfect solution for apartments, bathrooms, and RVs, maximizing your space. This heavy-duty clothesline extends up to 14.1 feet, providing ample space for drying towels, linens, delicates, and baby clothes. It's designed for your convenience. Air dry your laundry with this clothesline and cut down on energy bills. It also helps protect your fabrics, extending their life and saving you money in the long run. This wall-mounted clothesline is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It's great for drying wet towels, bed sheets, cloth diapers, and gym clothes. The stainless steel housing of this clothesline matches any decor. It's a stylish addition to your laundry room, bathroom, or balcony. This clothesline retracts instantly, disappearing from view for a clean, minimalist look. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like? This retractable clothesline is perfect for small spaces. It's easy to install and save space, making it ideal for apartments or RVs. If you like the idea of saving money on energy bills and protecting your fabrics, you should consider it. What people say. The rack is sturdy and easy to assemble. It holds a lot of artwork and saves space. The drying rack is great for classroom use. Number 3. Creative Minds Marvel 15 Shelf Art Drying Rack. This art drying rack is perfect for classrooms and art studios. It provides a convenient way to organize and protect wet artwork while it dries. The rack features 15 spacious shelves, offering plenty of room for various art projects. It allows young artists to store their masterpieces safely. Generous spacing between shelves prevents smudging and allows paint to dry quickly. This design ensures that artwork remains in pristine condition. Designed for tabletop use, this rack saves space while providing an effective drying solution. It's a practical addition to any art environment. The powder-coated wire frame is both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy to move. You can easily relocate it within your classroom or studio. What we like? This art drying rack is designed for classrooms and art studios. It features 15 spacious shelves to keep your artwork protected. If you have a classroom or studio and need a space-efficient drying solution, you should consider this. What people say. This rack is perfect for my studio. I needed a place to dry and store work instead of laying it all over my studio floor. This rack is a great size. I use it for everything from small pieces to larger 24 by 36 papers, which are a bit larger than the shelves but fit just fine anyway with a bit hanging off. This has saved me. I have literally gone insane with all the art projects spread out, drying, around my art studio. I teach multiple children's art classes and this rack is a lifesaver. You can fit 2 small art projects per shelf or 1 large project. It is sturdy, well made, and I wish I had room in the studio for another rack. Very sturdy. I use it for oil paintings on panel up to 18 by 24, also 11x14, 16x20, 8 by 10. No sag. The unit is very well made, no assembly needed, a bit heavy. Number 2. OFFICEROO Classroom Art Drying Rack, White. Are you looking for a better way to dry your artwork? This drying rack is the perfect solution for artists and students alike. It ensures proper airflow and helps your paintings dry quickly. This sturdy rack has 18 removable shelves, each measuring 15 by 12 inches. There's a 1-inch gap between each shelf. You can also get more shelves if you need them. It's more than just a drying rack, it's also great for storing your art. Each shelf can hold up to 2 pounds of weight, keeping your artwork safe and sound. With dimensions of 28 by 16 by 12 inches, it provides plenty of space for your canvas prints. It takes up very little space in your studio or classroom. It comes with 4 swivel caster wheels, including 2 that lock. This makes it easy to move around and keeps it stable wherever you need it. What we like. This art drying rack provides an efficient and organized solution for drying paintings. It also functions as an art storage rack. If you are a professional artist or student looking for a versatile and mobile drying solution, you should consider this. What people say. The drying racks are easy to assemble. The drying racks are sturdy and hold a lot of artwork. The size is perfect for classroom use. Number 1. Art drying rack for classroom, easy install. This wall mount drying rack is perfect for any wall type, and it's easy to install. It comes with adhesive stickers and screws, so you can mount it on painted walls, wood, tile, metal, or glass without causing any damage. This helps preserve your masterpieces and keeps your artworks organized. Crafted from durable iron with robust welded construction, this rack is built to last. Each shelf is spaced to securely hold up to 3 pounds, ensuring your artwork will stay safe. You can rest assured that your artwork will stay safe and secure. This drying solution is versatile for all your art projects. It's perfect for drying paintings, drawings, watercolors, and other artwork. It's a must-have for classrooms, studios, and any place where drying oil paintings is necessary. Each shelf offers ample space, ensuring your artwork is stored, displayed, and dried in a compact and organized manner. This design allows paint to dry quickly without any risk of smudging, preserving the integrity of every masterpiece. This drying rack makes an exceptional gift for anyone passionate about creativity. Setting up the rack is effortless, as all necessary hardware and easy-to-follow instructions are included. It's a thoughtful gift for artists, teachers, and families. We stand behind the quality of this product and offer a hassle-free warranty. If you encounter any issues, you can expect a satisfactory resolution. Our customer service team is available 24/7 to address any concerns, ensuring a response within 12 hours. What we like. This wall-mounted drying rack is easy to install without damaging walls. It offers ample space for artwork and ensures no smudging. If you are an art enthusiast or teacher looking for a versatile and easy-to-install drying solution, you should consider this. What people say. It's great for light canvases and boards. A great way to clear space off your table. My teachers love this because it hangs on the wall and saves space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.